Join me as I dive into the features of the Microsoft Surface Laptop 8 and Pro 12 in 2025, and see if I can put them to the ultimate test. The tech world is about to witness a game-changing moment with the arrival of Microsoft's next-generation powerhouses, the Surface Laptop 8 and Pro 12, set to revolutionize the laptop landscape in 2025. These devices are poised to bring a new level of performance, efficiency, and innovation to the table, and I'm excited to dive in and explore what they have to offer. In today's fast-paced digital world, we're constantly demanding more from our devices. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or entrepreneur, you need a laptop that can keep up with your active lifestyle. The reality is that current devices often fall short, struggling to balance power, efficiency, and portability. We've all been there, frustrated with slow performance, battery life that doesn't last, and designs that don't quite cut it. The result is a Frankenstein's monster of adapters, chargers, and workarounds that weigh us down and limit our productivity. It's clear that users need devices that can seamlessly transition between work and play, without sacrificing performance or battery life. The question is, can the Surface Laptop 8 and Pro 12 deliver on these expectations? We're seeing a seismic shift in the way we work and live, with the boundaries between professional and personal life becoming increasingly blurred. Our devices need to be versatile, powerful, and efficient, allowing us to tackle any task or project that comes our way. The Surface Laptop 8 and Pro 12 promise to address these challenges head-on, boasting impressive specs and features that could change the game. Starting with the Surface Laptop 8, we're looking at a device that packs an incredible punch, with up to 17 hours of battery life and lightning-fast performance courtesy of Intel's latest processors. The Pro 12 takes things to the next level, with a stunning 12.4-inch Pixel Sense touchscreen and support for the latest Surface Pen and type cover. Both devices also feature a sleek and durable design that's built to withstand the rigors of daily life. But what really catches my eye is the Surface Laptop 8's innovative cooling system, which uses a unique liquid cooling technology to keep temperatures in check, even during intense gaming or video editing sessions. This could be a total game changer for users who need raw power without the noise and heat that often comes with it. Another standout feature is the Pro 12's advanced facial recognition system, which uses AI-powered algorithms to provide unparalleled security and convenience. This, combined with the device's sleek design and long-lasting battery life, makes it an attractive option for professionals and creatives on the go. What's most exciting, though, is the potential impact these devices could have on the tech industry as a whole. With their focus on performance, efficiency, and design, the Surface Laptop 8 and Pro 12 could set a new standard for laptops in 2025, forcing other manufacturers to up their game and innovate. In conclusion, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 8 and Pro 12 are poised to revolutionize the laptop market, addressing the challenges faced by users and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With their impressive specs, innovative features, and focus on performance, efficiency, and design, these devices could be a total game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the new Surface Laptop 8 and Pro 12. Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other tech review videos for the latest and greatest in the world of tech.